Listen carefully. In 2026, YouTube will not reward hard work. It will reward smart niches. Some creators will struggle for $5, while others will make $2,000 to $5,000 per month without showing your face. And no, I'm not talking about vlogging, gaming, or daily grind content. I'm talking about 4 high CPM niches that brands are literally fighting to advertise on. If you're a student, beginner, or someone who wants to use AI plus faceless videos, this video can completely change how you see YouTube in 2026. But before I reveal the niches, let me tell you how I selected them. Every niche in this video checks all these boxes people are already watching, can be done without showing your face, high or at least medium CPM, endless content ideas, AI-friendly, 100% copyright safe, works for shorts and long videos. And most importantly, you won't get bored. If even one of these points is missing, the niche is rejected. So what you're about to see is filtered, practical, and realistic. In this video, I'll reveal one niche where advertisers pay insane CPM, one niche that can be automated using AI, one niche perfect for beginners in India, and one niche that can scale globally in dollars. So don't skip, because niche number 3 is the reason many small creators will get rich in 2026. Let's start with niche number 1. Imagine this. You upload a single 5-minute explainer video and earn anywhere from $30 to $70 per 1,000 views. Some creators in this niche are making $20,000 to $50,000 per month. And the crazy part? They don't show their face. All you need is a clear voice, smart scripts, and ideas people are searching for. Let's look at some of the big players in this niche. Kurzgesagt, in a nutshell, 25 million subscribers. Their videos are animated, simple to understand, and cover topics like science, space, and society. One video can easily get millions of views. 2. Life Noggin, 3 million subscribers. Short, animated, and fun videos about the human body, science facts, and daily life. 3. Minute Physics, almost 6 million subscribers. Simple, whiteboard-style animations that explain physics in 1 to 2 minutes. Their audience is highly engaged, which increases watch time, making advertisers pay more. Now, why is the education one of the best for 2026? High CPM. Brands in tech, finance, and e-learning pay a premium for viewers who are curious and engaged. In the US, CPM can easily reach $15 to $50 per 1,000 views. Evergreen content. People will always want to learn. Topics like science, history, AI, and space never go out of style. Faceless friendly. You can use animation, AI voiceovers, stock footage, or slides. No camera, no on-screen presence needed. High demand plus low competition. While there are big channels, small creators can still target sub-niches like psychology, tech tips, or fun science facts and grow quickly. AI-friendly. Scripts can be generated in minutes with AI tools, and animations or visuals can also be automated partially. Let's break it down for beginners. Time to create one video. Roughly 2 to 5 hours for a 3 to 5 minute video if you use AI scripts, royalty-free visuals, and text-to-speech. Scaling. Once you have 10 to 20 videos, your channel can earn steadily from YouTube's algorithm, recommending your videos automatically. Even if you make just 2 videos a week, after 3 to 4 months, you can easily get $5,000 to $10,000 monthly in ad revenue. And if one video goes viral, it can hit $1,000 to $5,000 in a few days. Imagine earning $20 to $80 per 1,000 views just from YouTube ads. Some creators in this niche are making $10,000 to $50,000 every month without showing their faces, without spending hours in front of a camera. Take a look at these channels. Primate Economics, just 22 videos and 486,000 subscribers. The Swedish Investor, 156 videos, but over 1 million subscribers. Both channels focus entirely on finance and investing content. Here's why finance and investing is the perfect faceless niche. High CPM. In the USA, CPM can easily go $20 to $80, sometimes more. Global demand. Everyone wants to make money or invest smartly. This content never gets old. Endless content ideas, stocks, crypto, market trends, investing tips, personal finance hacks. The list is almost infinite. AI-friendly. You can generate scripts, voiceovers, and even charts using AI tools. Short plus long video potential. You can make 1-minute shorts or 10 to 15-minute detailed videos. Faceless and copyright safe. Use stock charts, animations, AI voice. No need for your face or copyrighted clips. Imagine this, a niche with CPM that can reach $8 to $20 or even more in the USA for the right videos. That means accounts like this could be earning $5,000 to $20,000 or even more per month just from ads alone. Let's look at real examples to prove this niche works. Motivation, over 4.6 million subscribers and hundreds of motivational and psychology-driven videos. Ben Lionel Scott, around 3.4 million subscribers with powerful motivational voiceover clips. Antidote, only about 130,000 subscribers with approximately 18 videos. Jay Wisdom, around 137,000 subscribers from just 47 videos, showing quality quantity really matters. So if you want to start a YouTube channel in 2026 that's faceless, AI-friendly, CPM-friendly, evergreen, and perfect for both shorts plus long videos, the motivational/psychology niche should be at the top of your list. What if I told you there's a niche on YouTube that pays way higher CPMs than normal entertainment videos? In the US, this niche often gets $30 to $60 CPM, sometimes more, because advertisers in finance, business software, and education are willing to pay top dollar for serious viewers with buying power. Look at these channels that are absolutely crushing it in this space. Cold Fusion, 5.14 million subscribers. Business Casual, 1.15 million subscribers. Company Man, 1.8 million subscribers. So why is this niche one of the best niches for 2026? High CPM, evergreen content, endless ideas. Works as long form and shorts, AI-friendly. And here's the kicker, you don't need weeks of production. With good AI research tools, you can write scripts in 1 to 2 hours, generate narration with AI voice in minutes, use stock footage and simple graphics editors. In 2 to 4 days, you can have a fully polished documentary. If you want high earnings, low competition compared to entertainment, and a niche that rewards depth and intelligence, business case studies and documentaries might be the best niche for 2026.